forecast with Storm Tracker Live.
Felt more like March or even April today than it did February, but we'll take the warm temperatures, and we're surely appreciative of the rainfall, even though there's not a lot of it out there. Temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to the lower 60s across southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia, and the panhandle of Florida today. We look into Futurecast, and there's a little pulse of rain that's going to move through overnight, but quickly get out of here and yield to sunshine after some morning fog burns off tomorrow. But over the next couple of days, we'll look at another little rain band begin, a little wave, if you will, a pulse out to our west, and that will bring us some chances of rain as we head toward the end of the week, and a few of those showers could linger into the weekend. In fact, as we look into Thursday, you can begin to see that rain. Some of it could be heavy as it crosses parts of Louisiana. We're not overly concerned with an abundant amount of rainfall here, though by the end of the week, some of you could see perhaps 3/4 of an inch total rainfall. Let's show you what's going on across the southeast, and you can see most of the rain today limited to the extreme southern part of Alabama, except for a few showers up around Montgomery and Birmingham. But the concentration of rain, Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, and then out in the Gulf of Mexico. Behind the rain, we're going to have clearing skies. Again, fog is a concern early tomorrow morning, but we're not worried about any rainfall for tomorrow. This is Storm Tracker Live. These showers are very light. In fact, the heaviest, and not all that heavy, over in Geneva County. They're pushing off toward the east and northeast. We saw a few showers move across Dothan a few minutes ago. Some of those now stretching into southern Houston County, over into South Dale County. These are going to get out of here later tonight. In fact, we think we could remove the chance of rain from the forecast by the time we meet up tonight at 10. High temperatures today, quite nice, and they're going to be even warmer tomorrow. 66 degrees in Dothan, 65 at Bonifay. Pretty much the same story for you folks over in Early County. As far as what we're tracking with the weather, we will hear the rhythm of the rain for the next few hours, but that should yield to a wonderful Wednesday, and temperatures remain on the warm side. Here's the forecast. Overnight, 40% chance of rain. We'll take that out later. Low temperature early tomorrow morning, right around 50 degrees. Tomorrow, mostly sunshine after some morning fog burns off. We expect high temperatures right around 73 degrees. And as we look at this bus stop forecast, 51 as the children head off to school tomorrow morning. And here's the 7-day showing those rain chances staying with us after Wednesday. In fact, by Thursday, that system we showed you, about an 80% chance of rain. Again, some of you, as that system passes, could receive up to an inch of rainfall. Sunshine on Saturday, and then minimal chances of rain on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. The temperatures continue to be nice, with highs mostly in the 70s and overnight lows generally in the 50s. And if you don't like 70s and you don't like 50s, you're not going to like this weather, but I, for one, like the weather.
And I like your alliteration from wonderful Wednesday to thundering Thursday, finally Friday, and then sunny Saturday.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I don't even know how to. It sounds good. I couldn't have said it better myself.
Got him. Cat got Ken Curtis's tongue.
And that doesn't happen often.
Thank you very much. The 2013 Alabama legislative session kicked off in Montgomery today. A number of items are on this year's agenda, including school safety measures, including school bus safety. They're also going to tackle balancing the general budget and education budget with limited excess funding, and gun rights issues for Alabamians. There's good news to report, as Norris Green of the state legislative fiscal office is reporting additional funds for the education budget this year. Legislators will complete a 30-day calendar over a 105-day period, with the session expected to end sometime mid-May. Coming up in a little over 10 minutes, Governor Robert Bentley will hold his annual State of the State address. Bentley is expected to challenge lawmakers on a number of those issues we just mentioned. He is also expected to mention the standoff that occurred in Midland City, and we will be watching. Sports is coming up next. Yesterday, Kyle Erickson committed to Faulkner University. Today, he signed his name on the dotted line. We hear from the Providence Christian standout on his future with Montgomery's Eagles after break.